Hey, thank you so much for accepting my invitation and getting on this journey with me and for yourself. Choosing to love yourself more, choosing to being mindful of how you are loving yourself, how maybe at times you don't love yourself. As I share in my email, I really want you to take a moment and write down, as I shared about me, based on the challenge that I participate in this week, as well as leading the challenge with you guys. Looking into what I've overcome in my life, looking into what I manifested, and really seeing that I am still standing. I, you know, I was able to see what I've accomplished, the stuff that I've overcome, the things that I've manifested. And I have to say, like I shared, I wasn't really planning on adding this to the challenge. I just was so inspired by my entrepreneurial colleagues sharing their stories and then me sharing my own. I saw the power in it, and I really think that it is self-love. When you can see, if for some reason now you're beating yourself up, or you're sometimes life is happening to us. And often what happens is, when life happens to us, we tend to think that we're not worthy, we're not good enough, and we forget all the things that we've overcome. We forget the things that we've accomplished. So I am not a big fan of looking back, except when you are looking back to see how far you've come. Because when you look at it, I know for myself, when I look at everything that I've achieved and everything that I've overcome, I'm still standing. Even after tough times, I am still standing. And for me, it's loving myself that has gotten me through it. And if for you are still not feeling the love for yourself completely, which, like I said, it's a lifetime process, what I think this will do for you is this will actually make you love yourself even more. Because I know for myself, even in my own relationships with people, when I get to know what people's stories are, when I get to know what they've overcome, quite often, and there could even be a conflict in the relationship, or somebody that I've kind of there's something that I've been sort of holding against them. When I get their journey, when I get what they've been through, I am able to appreciate and love them and show compassion. And that's the thing that we need to do for ourselves, because that's what I got over doing this. Again, thank you. I hope you will use some of the tools that you got, or maybe all of them if you feel called to. Keep loving yourself. Keep really getting that you are enough, you are worthy, you are beautiful, you are loved, and keep loving you no matter what happens. Thanks, love and light. And please feel free to reach out, let me know what you got, share your thoughts. And again, I'm asking you guys, if you feel comfortable, share what you've overcome and your accomplishments so far in the Facebook group if you're there. If you don't feel comfortable, or you're not on Facebook, if you want to share with me, go ahead and email that to me. I'd love to hear from you, and take care. Love and light.